We are providing services for the elite dentists of the AACD. It's just a great place to network with some of the top dental companies as well. The face-to-face time that we get to have with our clients is priceless. I believe one of the reasons that we do have an excellent retention rate is our ability to come to this meeting every year to meet with our clients on a regular basis.
There's no organization like this from a standpoint of education of professional people and the importance of cosmetics.
I see people that are top of the line in our industry, and sometimes they incorporate what I'm doing into their lectures. So there's a tremendous exchange. This is my #1 choice to come to because I learn a lot and I teach a lot. I do both in the same time, and that's the idea of a good meeting.
Obviously, we want to be front and center, and we want to associate with dentists who are interested in furthering their education also. The educational workshops provide a fantastic opportunity for our dentists to not only hear about our products and understand procedures and techniques, but to actually experience how to use the products, how to feel the products, how to manipulate the products. So it's really the best way dentists can actually evaluate something before they may purchase the product.
We bring the best professionals in the world to educate.
It's exciting and more exciting than any of the other meetings that I go to.